What's going on, guys? Tony Ivanov here. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I'm actually in Cabos, San Lucas right now. Monday, it was my birthday. I just turned 22. And Sunday, I decided that I should plan a extremely spontaneous trip to Mexico. I've never been to Mexico, never been really out of the country ever since I've been over a teenager. So I wanted to treat myself nicely after my $3,000 win on Thursday and just look at this view and let it speak for itself. This is where I trade every single morning. So let me turn around the camera. Look at that view. Got the beach right there, got the ocean. You can see the sunrise here every single morning. You can follow me on Instagram at TonyIvanov_. You can also look in the bio or in the description of this video and find all of my social media. I'm posting there every single day on my story. Just giving you guys motivation and inspiration that, you know, trading can really give you financial freedom, and it is possible to achieve a financially free lifestyle through day trading. So today, it was kind of a slower day. You know, the past 2-3 weeks, we've been seeing some amazing runs. Every single day, there's been at least one penny stock that's gone up over 100, even 200%. You know, just to recap off the top of my head, there was ZSAN, INNT, RKDA, NFEC, and today PRPO, and there's so many others that I'm not surprised that it wasn't as strong today. So let me just switch over to my trading screen. Let me just make sure. There we go. So PRPO had great pre-market news today, and I unfortunately have a sore throat, so excuse my voice. It is kind of it's kind of rough. Give me a break though. Trying to enjoy Cabo best as I can, so not gonna be the longest video. So PRPO opened up today down in like 50 cents. It opened up and it hit a high of $1.75. And if you look at the minute-to-minute action on PRPO, it was getting halted a bunch, and this makes me believe that we may start to see the insane runs just start to slow down, because after PRPO got halted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the morning, it's showing that you know, the SEC is taking note of these insane runners and is trying to put a hamper on it. So now that we have this chart pattern, we may start to see traders not be so enthusiastic to buy these morning spikes. But even before it got halted, it went from 50 cents to $1.25, $1.30. Unfortunately, I'm using my trading laptop right now, and I haven't used this laptop ever since I started using hotkeys, and I've been having some problems with using my hotkeys. So I tried to get on PRPO today on the break over this little flag here over 89 cents, but my hotkeys didn't work and I couldn't place a market order, because with E-Trade you can't place market orders on stocks that are under $1. So it's really hard to play these penny stocks that are less than $1 with limit orders, because, you know, the price moves so much. So if I was able to use my hotkeys, it would just immediately buy on the ask, and I wouldn't have to type in like 98 cents, 96 cents, 96.5 cents, and so forth. So unfortunately, I missed out on PRPO. A bunch of my traders in my chat room nailed it. I had one trader made $700 today. I had a few traders make like 200, 300 bucks. So shout out to all of you guys, you're killing it. I'm actually doing I'm sorry, the view is just so amazing. I'm doing a birthday sale, 25% off. It's an extension from the St. Patrick's Day sale, because so many of you have requested more time on that sale to get your funds together. Don't worry, I'm extending it one more week for my birthday, so 25% off my mentorship program and the chat room and live stream. You can click the links down below and find more information about that. We have a bunch of traders in there now who are making hundreds of dollars every single day just by day trading for the first hour and a half. So it really is possible, and if you just keep doing it and keep learning and keep growing your account, you can experience a view like this. Let me just show you guys once again, because it is really just amazing. Let me just switch over to, there we go. I'm learning how to use this new software, OBS. So yeah, there it is. Very amazing view. But anyways, so PRPO, the reason why it spiked up was, you know, it's not anything new. We've been seeing this for the past few weeks. Low price, the low flow with great news. So let me just look at the news real fast, show you guys what happened. They integrate cost reducing and fast turnaround high resolution melt into liquid biopsy platform. So that sounds like great news. So it's no surprise that PRPO had a crazy spike. Once it got halted so many times, it died off, it faded off. You could have had some good buying opportunities down here just using the classic wedge breakout, not wedge breakout, trendline breakout. You can see right here. As I always recommend, as you get closer into midday, I always recommend that you use the 5-minute chart just to clean up some of the noise from it being less liquid in the midday and afternoon. So just right here, you can see on the 5-minute, we have a beautiful pattern that formed on this pullback. All you do is you draw a ray that connects all of these candles, the top of these candles. And one, we had the break of this trend line, and two, it was finding support on the 50 moving average. So that's two different indicators showing that it has bullish potential. And even if you just missed out this whole play right here and you bought the break of this this trend line, you would have made around 20% in, I think it was 25 minutes or so, which is an amazing trade. I was actually on the beach during that time, so I missed out, but no big deal. I like to trade in the mornings just to keep it nice and simple. So unfortunately today couldn't place any trades, but now I finally ironed out all of my issues with my hotkeys and my accounts. So Wednesday, tomorrow, I'm going to be extremely ready to make some profits, and hopefully we can get some nice winners while I'm looking at this amazing view of the ocean. So PRPO was the strongest runner for sure. We also had ENRJ that tried to pop up. Now this was a runner from yesterday. You can see, let me just bring up the pre-market chart as well. So yesterday it had an amazing squeeze up to the $0.50 mark, and then it sold off into the close. And then today it squeezed right back up, made a lower high, so that's immediately a bearish sign. But this was a trade from the 30 cents up to 48 cents. That's an amazing move. I didn't trade that one because I was too focused on PRPO, but that's okay. We also had CHFS pop up as well. This one had pre-market news as well, and to be honest, this was the one that I was most focused on. This is the one that's, in my mind, was going to run the most. I just realized that this isn't linked, so it's kind of a useless chart over here. This is supposed to be the daily chart. So CHFS, let me just take away the stochastics and volume because we don't need that on the daily chart. It doesn't really matter. So CHFS, I was expecting that if we can break over the $5 mark, that we could potentially test the 200 moving day average at $8, and if we can break through that, which is not unlikely in this market, we could retest this trend line that was formed from these two amazing spikes we had in the past. But it got stuffed really badly, never hit that $5 mark, and just really sold off pretty terribly. Really was unexpected. Not sure why. I'm not sure why it didn't have a huge run, but the main thing with the stock market is that anything can happen, so I'm not going to try to rationalize it. I don't really care. It just didn't work out, so I didn't trade it. So that was really it for today. Not much else to talk about. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video lesson. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription, and make sure you check out those sales for my birthday, because it is hands down the most affordable chat room on the planet. I have checked around everywhere, trust me. We just have an amazing group of traders. It's perfect if you're a new trader, experienced trader, and anything in between, because it's always amazing to be surrounded by a group of traders who is on the same goal as you, becoming a profitable trader. So check it out. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.